Hello, all my chef and chefettes. It's your boy, Chef Chaney, culinary artist, coming to you from the Chaney kitchen today. You know what? September 2018. What does that mean, Paul? It's the start of college football right there on my TV. Game day's on, so we get ready to kick off the season. But you know what's going on all across this great nation? There are tailgate parties. And you know what? If you're hosting your own tailgate or if you're invited to a tailgate, you gotta have something to eat. So what I'm going to do is to kick off college football this year, and each and every week of college football season, I'm gonna bring you something that you're going to enjoy. Something that you can take to that tailgate, or if you're hosting it, something that you can have for all the people that are stopping by that they are going to love. So each and every week. Now, you know, I live down here in Alabama. I'm in SEC country. And the way the people of Alabama do it, they do it great. They know how to tailgate. And so today what I'm going to do is that old Chaney Salsa. Oh, the Chaney Salsa. It's so good. So what I have here, I have my ingredients. I have my freshly ripe red Roma tomatoes. I got my peppers. Now you can go with either a regular serrano pepper or just a regular hot pepper, or you can go with the ghost peppers if you want it real hot. But I got a couple peppers here, got them cut up. Also, I got my onions. I got my cilantro, my garlic, my lime juice. I got a little salt and pepper to taste. So what I'm going to do is put my ingredients in here, and I'm going to let the machine do the work. And once it's done, got my chips right here to the side. I'm going to taste it a little bit, and then I'm going to be ready to tailgate with my oh so great Chaney salsa. So let's put these tomatoes in. So again, I got 4 red Roma tomatoes. Just slice them in half because the machine's going to do the work. So put them in. We're going to put our onion in. So half of onion, red onion. Throw that in. Throw our cilantro. And that's about half a cup of cilantro. Get it all in there. We're going to put our peppers in there. Just throw them around, mix them around the side. And I just left 1 or 2 seeds. Again, if you like it real hot, put all the seeds in there. But for me, I'm a mild type guy, so I just went with half. Let's get some of this freshly cut up garlic. Got that in there. Then we're gonna just pour our lime juice. And either you can go with 2 or 3 freshly squeezed limes, or you can go with about 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Got everything in here. Let that machine do the work. Come around the edges. Just mix it up a little bit more. Make sure you get all that cilantro. Oh man, if you could smell it, that aroma. Oh, it's so fresh. You can just smell that cilantro coming through. The onions, the tomatoes. Once you got that, let's toss it for a little bit more. You don't want to get it too runny. Then we're going to put a little salt. Also, a little pepper in there. Give it a stir. Once you got it stirred up, grab your chip. Hey, my wife says no double dipping. So once you go in once, get in and get out. So we're going to go in. Oh man. I got to go in again. It's that good. This right here will have everybody at the tailgate running back for more. Let me go in one more time for you. You taste that tomato, that hint of onion. Oh man, that cilantro. Got a little heat, just a little bit of heat from that pepper. And then salt and pepper. Oh wow, this is great. I'll tell you, this is not gonna last the full halftime of that college football game. So again, just want to share with you, since I moved to Alabama, a lot of people I know, a lot of people I met, they roll with the Tide. I jumped on board, been a Tide fan for 3 years. But you know what? I got to give some shout out to the Big Ten. My son played in the Big Ten, so go our Hawkeyes. Shout out to the Hawkeyes. And then my daughter, she's an ACC grad, so got to give a shout out to the University of Virginia, the Cavaliers. Wahoo! But for me, on this Saturday, I'm going to be plopped down on the couch watching my Crimson Tide. Roll, Tide, roll. All right, all my chef and chefettes, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef Chaney, or email me, chefchaney1911@gmail.com. I'm always here for you. Again, I'm going to be coming back every weekend of college football with a great dish for you, either to host for your party or to take to that tailgate. All right, till the next time, Chef Chaney, the culinary artist, coming to you from the Chaney kitchen. I'm out.